Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy you're here today. Just taking a moment to check in with the garden today. It became my little corner of peace lately. The tomatoes are doing great, herbs are thriving, and honestly, it feels just so good to slow down and breathe in some green. Sometimes the best therapy is a pulse check, not just for the plants, but for ourselves. That's what this movie is about. Alright, project time. I finally got around to installing this patio step solar lights I got from Amazon. It's not sponsored, no paid partnership or anything. I just thought they looked cool and figured why not give the backyard a little upgrade, a little glow up. You can use the double-sided tape that comes with them, but I chose to drill them in, just like I did last year. Naturally, they hold up better this way, especially through rain and temperature swings. They don't last forever, but for the price, I am totally okay with replacing them every year. Towards the end of this video, I will show you how it turned out and the cozy little vibe it gives after dark. Meanwhile, little Miss Sunshine over here is on her own mission. She is running around, laughing at butterflies, living her best life. It is honestly my favorite background noise when I'm out here working and just watching her giggle and laugh and just having fun. There's just something about the way kids just exist so fully in the moment, you know? It really reminds me to do the same. There's so much we can learn from kids. It's unbelievable. Of course, no summer day is complete without a trip to a legendary Mitchell homemade ice cream store. If you know, you know. We waited in line, soaking the smell of a fresh waffle cones, and went big with double scoops because moderation is for weekdays. Lenka picked cookies and cream, classic choice, always a hit. I went for the sea salt caramel, still undefeated and worth every single calorie. And hubby, he's loyal to his coffee shake. It's always a coffee shake for him, with skim milk, of course. After the sugar rush kicked in, we made a pit stop at the playground. Swings, slides, and a whole lot of giggles. Watching her climb and conquer like she owns the world, it is magic. Those little moments, these are the ones I want to remember when she's grown. The next day, the sky opened up and gave us one of those light, misty summer rains. And of course, Lenka couldn't wait to get outside. She pulled on her favorite dinosaur-themed rain boots, screaming loud and totally her. And she went stomping through the paddles like a pro. Then she started dancing. Barefoot hard, booted feet, spinning under the drizzle like the rain was just another kind of music. It was one of those moments you just stop and soak in, pure joy. And now I have it on a camera. So my herbs are starting to take off, and I've been learning how to harvest and store them long term without losing any flavor. I'm still figuring it out, but I'll share with you what I've learned in another video very soon. Okay, so remember those patio lights from earlier? Here's how they turned out. It might not seem like much, but once the sun goes down, the soft glow makes the whole space feel really peaceful and kind of magical. It's these little upgrades, those little details, little touches that turn the backyard into sanctuary. Thank you so much for staying until the end and spending this little slice of life with us. If you enjoyed the vibe, feel free to like, comment, or subscribe. No pressure. Until next time, and take care of your garden. And don't forget to dance in the rain.